Hello, in this video I'll show you how to whiten eyes in Photoshop and how to create an action for it later on in this very tutorial. So simply like the video and don't forget to subscribe in case you're watching and you are not a subscriber to this channel. So this is the image that we want to work on regarding eye whitening. So the very first thing you are to analyze for this process is look at the eye. So when we are to zoom into the eyes and we analyze them, you can see that we have varying colors. For example, reds, we have some yellows, we have some magentas, we have some greens within the eyes of this very photo. So after analyzing those colors, whitening is basically getting rid of those colors from the white area of the eye. So how are we going to get rid of these other colors from affecting the white area of the eye? We simply want to desaturate these colors from the white area of the eye. So we're just going to come to the adjustments right here, click on the adjustments, come to hue and saturation, and make sure master is selected because we have different colors affecting the white area of the eye. Then you are simply going to come to where you see saturation and click and drag this towards the left hand side. And by just doing this, this is going to get rid of all the other random colors affecting the white area of the eye. So after doing this, in case you don't feel fine at this step, you can simply come and add another adjustment layer, which is the photo filter adjustment layer, and choose we're going to go with cooling filter 82. But as soon as you do this, it's going to make the image look a little bit bluish, which we don't want. We just want to add a tiny bit of cooling to the white area of the eye. So just come to the density and drop the density all the way down to around, we shall go with around 3 or 2. So 3 is okay for this case. And after doing this, you can see we have lost out the colors. So let's group what we have done for the photo filter and the hue and saturation. Press Ctrl or you can use Command, and press Command G or you can use Ctrl G on the keyboard. So after this, we only want to limit the effect to affect the eye area. So what are we going to do in this case? We just want to invert the effect of this image. So just come, hold down the Option key on the keyboard, or you can simply hold down the alternate key on the keyboard and click on this masking icon, and that is going to create an inverted mask, meaning the effect of eye whitening has been hidden behind this black mask. So we simply have to come to the brushes, right click on the brushes and get the brush tool. So after getting the brush tool, we simply come and make sure you have black and white on these two color swatches. So in case you have any other random color apart from black and white, simply press D on the keyboard, or you can reset to black and white by simply clicking on these tiny swatches. So make sure white is the top color. Remember, in Photoshop, white is going to reveal and black is going to hide. That is why the effect has been hidden behind this black mask. So in order to reveal the effect, we have to paint on the white area of the eye using a white brush to reveal the whitening effect. So for the settings of the brush, make sure the hardness is set to 0 and soft round brush is selected. The mode is set to normal. Opacity at 100%, flat 100%. We're just going to reduce on the size of the brush by using the bracket keys on the keyboard and simply paint over the white area of the eye, just like that. So whenever you're doing this, keep away from painting, or you have to resist from painting this area of the eye or this corner of the eye, because when you paint that, it is going to make the eye look a little bit unnatural and unrealistic. So you're just going to paint on what we feel is meant to be the white area within the eye. So I'm just going to paint like that, just like that. So in case you paint on areas that you did not want to paint initially, make sure you switch the brush back to black, and black is going to hide any mistake that you may have done during the painting process. So by just doing this, we have been able to whiten the eye. So this is the before after. And remember, in case it is too much, remember to come to the opacity and reduce on the opacity to your liking. So right now, after understanding the basics of eye whitening, let's create a shortcut or an action that we can simply play and run so that it can create this eye whitening effect into the white area of the eye. So I'm just going to come and I delete all this. So in order to create an action when it comes to Photoshop, simply come to Window and make sure actions is checked, and that is going to open up the actions panel. And after doing that, simply come to this group icon or folder icon and put it in a group. So for this, we're just going to name it to eye whitening. So you can basically use the same technique for teeth whitening. So after renaming the group, click OK. And after that, just come to this plus icon to start or to create a new action, and you can rename the action to eye whitening. So remember to name your actions well. So eye whitening, and after renaming, you can even assign a color for your action. So for this, I'll just assign orange, and you can even assign a shortcut, but for this I don't feel like shortcuts are necessary. So I'll just come and click on record, and as soon as I start recording, you can see the recording option is going to be highlighted in this case. So let's try to do the same adjustments as the action is recording each and every step for us. So just come, we started by creating hue and saturation. We came to master and desaturated the image to around -78. Then we created another adjustment layer, which is the photo filter. Then we selected cooling filter 82, and we reduced the overall density to around, we used around 3 for this case, so we shall go with 3. Then we select both layers and we press Ctrl G on the keyboard to group it. You can rename the group to eye whitening, just like that, so that it can be organized. And after renaming that, we are going to press Option or press the alternate key on the keyboard, Option and left click on that to invert the effect. And you can see the action is recording each and everything that we do. Then we are simply going to come to the brushes, right click and get the brush tool. And after getting the brush tool, we are going to set the brush. The mode is normal, opaque at 100%, flat 100%. And after this, just come to these swatches and reset the swatches to black and white. And you can see the action is also recording each and every step. And after doing that, we are just going to stop the recording of the action. So we are just going to delete this and we play the action. So come to the group, select this and simply click on play, and you can see it has done everything for us. And what is left is simply getting the brush and painting over the white area of the eye to whiten the eyes, just like that. So you can see it is as simple as doing this when it comes to eye whitening and Photoshop in general. So right now we have whitened the eyes of our subject. So in case you're dealing with teeth whitening, you can simply do or use the same action for also teeth whitening. So you can see the before after. And by the way, I told you, in case you make a mistake, switch the brush back to black as the top color, and black is going to hide or erase the effect from affecting the image. And after doing that, this is all for today's video or tutorial, before after. Remember to ensure that, or make sure that you come and reduce on the opacity so that the effect can look a little bit better and more realistic. I hope you have enjoyed this simple video. Simply like the video, don't forget to subscribe in case you have been watching and you are not a subscriber to this channel. Ronix from Ronix Photography. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in yet more videos on this channel. Don't forget to keep practicing and also keep creating.